Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to record audio on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, on your iPhone, just open the Voice Memos app. Now once you open the Voice Memos app, just tap on the red dot over here to start recording. Now once you tap on this icon, you will start recording the audio through the microphones on your iPhone. Now to stop the recording of your audio, just tap on this icon over here. Now, if you tap on the three dots over here, you can share your recorded audio. You can also rename the recorded audio. For example, I will name it my audio. And also you can edit your recorded audio. You can resume your recording by tapping on resume at the end. Now from here, if you tap on done, you can save it as a new recording or you can save it in the previous recording. You will start recording the audio through the microphones on your iPhone. Now to stop. Now if you want to delete the recorded audio, just tap on the bin icon and you will delete the recorded audio from your Voice Memos app. And this is how you can record audio on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.